Originally, I was just going to take a picture of grilling fajita veggies, but I wanted you to get the smell and see the steam coming off. Well, I say smell. Hear the sizzle. Wish you could smell it. What are y'all having for supper? This is what's going on our table tonight, along with some chicken. We got our homemade fajita seasoning. Asked Melissa about that. And I'm gonna throw some ancho chili peppers on some of the veggies too. So you have a great rest of your Sunday. Happy Palm Sunday. Don't forget next weekend, Easter Sunday, and the main reason. Take care.